Doc Mountain here, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can actually set up your account on Poppo Live. So Poppo Live is one of the earning apps, and it's one of the best of the best. Okay, so here we go. What you do is don't you go straight away into Google Play just to look up the app. What you need to do is you head on to the description section. There's a link. So what you do is you simply click on the link and then you install the app right from there. And then I will leave other details like how you can actually join the agency and how you can actually verify your account. So everything will be left in the description section. So what you do is just click on the link right now so that you happen to install the app. Then when you're done, follow the other instructions I'll leave in the description section. And then when you get stuck, get back here and then drop a text. I'll be always available to help you. So let's take a ride. I'll open Poppo Live. It's loading. Okay, so when this window opens up, what you need to do is you check at the bottom there where it reads, by using Poppo you agree to. Click there so that you happen to tick that. Okay, so when there's a tick, now you log in with Google. Turn on notifications, ensures that you don't miss important information. Click confirm, then click allow. Then click login with Google. So it's loading. Okay, beautiful. So now you will be given an option of email addresses, especially those that you have actually logged in with on your phone. So I will go by Poppo. Okay, so when you are through with that stage, you will be brought here. So this part is pretty important because here you will need to actually choose the correct gender. If you're female, make sure you go by female, and if you're male, go by female, because when it comes to face verification, if you choose male yet you're female, face verification will actually fail. So here where you have to punch in your name, you can actually change everything here. So I can actually say Oracle. Then the superscript, I'll leave it in the description section. For those of you who would love to join my agency, you need to punch in the superscript that I'll leave in the description section. Let me head on to WhatsApp. That's where my superscript is. Okay, so me, I'm gonna pick this one, but you need to pick on the other one, which is Oracle. So here we go. Okay, so I'm an agent. That's why I'm actually using the superscript agency. Then here you need to change the date of birth. So here we go. 1986 11th on the 8th, then confirm. Then you have to click female if you're female, then male if you're male. Then choose the country. I hope you saw where I clicked in Zambia. And then we can as well upload the picture. There must be a profile pic there. Those of you who love hiding. Don't hide. You need that profile pic for verification. So I will need to bring in this one here. Let's see if this one will work. So I will change it later on. I can also pick on something else here if I want. So I will go by this one for now, but later on, just use something that you can use for verification. And then later on, you can switch to something more beautiful. Then click the tick in the bottom right corner. Okay, beautiful. So I have that. Everything is set here. Then I click next. Okay, so after you've entered everything, you will land on this page. So when it says collect, you simply cancel that by clicking on the X at the bottom. Then what you will see are the people who are live. So the active tab for now is the one which is in the bottom left corner. That's the live tab. The one which follows, you can click on it. That's the party tab. It actually embraces. Okay, so now our interest is to make sure that you set up your account. So click on the tab which is in the bottom right corner, the one which is at the far right. Click there. So when you get here, obviously you'll see your name, your ID, your profile pic, and then you see what says coins, points, reward, medal, auth. So what you need to click on is auth. So here you need to do authentication. Okay, so you click there, it says auth, and then they say please complete authentication process first. Then you need to bind a phone. So we can do face authentication. Here you just need to make sure that you're in a place where there's proper lighting. Then you can do the authentication process. So let's do this. Upload the photo of yourself. Okay, just make sure that you upload anything that is clear, and then later on you can change that. Then complete, and then tick. Then from here, let's wait for it. It's loading. Okay, so this one looks much clearer, and I'm uploading this. Okay, so now they're saying start to certify. Click there. So here, this is where people fail. You simply imitate the cartoon. Okay, so they're saying under review. So if it's under review, we can actually get busy with other things. And we can try binding the phone, but mostly they say bind the phone after you're done with face authentication. Okay, so now after you're done, you can now click where it says my agency. Now you are doing that so as to join my agency, so that I will be able to guide you, because you need to be under some person's agency. So here you need to punch in my ID. All you have to do is you simply tap on the please enter agent's ID. So the ID you need to punch in is the very one that I'm punching in, 16709645. Okay, able to see that? That's the one. After you enter that one, you need to click please enter agent's ID, and after that you will need to confirm. As simple as that. Then after you're done with that, you can go back now. And then if you want to check on the tasks that you have to perform, you have to click reward. When you click reward, you will be shown all the tasks that you have to do on that particular day and those that you will be doing on a daily basis. So everything is loading here. Okay, awesome. So they're saying stay on the mic for 15 minutes and you'll be given 200 coins. Now, what you are seeing is not what you will see as a woman. If you're feminine, the tasks are different from those of a man. Right from the beginning, you as a woman, you are capable of going live. And then after you're done with the live, which is the solo live, you can now host a party or you can join a party. So as a newbie, it's very important that you go live just after opening your account, because you're given a bonus. Just for going live for 1 hour, you'll be given $1. And then when you happen to join the party, you'll be given 800 for 1 hour. For another 2 hours, you'll be given 800. So all in all, just for a day, you will make something like $1.6. Very important. That's one thing that people are never taught. So as a woman, for the first time, you have to make sure that the moment you open an account, don't wait. Even if everything seems so complex, you don't understand anything, go live. You may have a question like, no, what should I be doing when I go live? You can just stay put, you may be busy, but don't move out of the camera. Stay put within the range of the camera. Make your face be seen. It's more like TikTok. It's more like TikTok. Let's go back. So I've covered much of what is expected of you on the first day of joining Poppo Live. So for other things, you will actually need to watch other videos that I did prior to this one. I will actually leave them in the description section, okay, on how you can do other things, and then how to gamble and make major big time money. You will need to interact with me. I will also leave the link on how you can actually get in contact with me. You can actually reach out to me on Patreon. I will leave everything in the description section. Well, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you under my agency and to have an interaction with you. This is Dog Mountain, the Oracle.